Welcome! Hi guys! I thought I would give my geometry class a little tour of my basement classroom that we got set up here. I'm not quite sure how well you'll be able to see the writing on the board as I'm going through problems, so we'll kind of work through that as we go along this spring and see what resources and tools work the best for you. So geometry this week. I have many of you getting on there doing the job. Excellent work. Got a few people that still aren't kind of touching base. So if you're seeing this, please know that I would really love it if you guys would shoot me an email or join our virtual office hours, or just get a hold of me in some way to let me know that you're working on math and just how you're doing. Okay, I know it's a kind of a crazy time. So this week in geometry, we are going to focus on quadratics and data analysis. So for my class, I'm going to have a couple of assignments for you guys on solving quadratics and a couple of assignments related to data analysis. One is going to be an actual assignment where you have some multiple choice questions you have to answer. The other part is going to be a discussion board type of assignment. So look for that in the week 2 folder. All right. So for quadratics, these are the things you're going to encounter that you need to be ready for. And I will go and put in some specific examples for each of these pieces in Open Notes for like other videos. So you can click on those and make that happen. You definitely need to remember how to solve with the quadratic formula, right? So my chance to sing on TV, right? So x equals opposite b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Lots of renditions out there. That one's just my favorite. Okay, so you want to be able to use the quadratic formula. You also want to be able to factor. This single skill right here is going to take you so far in being successful in upper level mathematics. So please make sure that you are understanding how to get through factoring quadratics and just even the hard ones. Big numbers, a value not equal to 1. Make sure that you have a plan for knowing how to make that happen. All right. And then last but not least, solving by completing the square. So we're going to be working on that as well. So I'll give you guys an example of that. And my challenge to you is that you are comfortable with all 3 as you're solving quadratics. And hopefully that'll work out good for you guys. All right. So if you're really good at quadratic formula, for example, you don't need to watch that video. You can just watch maybe the video on completing the square, or maybe you need some extra help with factoring. All right, so I'll give you some strategies on those videos as well, and have a great week, guys. I'll see you on the discussion board for some data analysis. All right, take care.